Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by dx. Y will multiply by this one. Next, we have s squared, y squared, sy. They are the root number 2. And this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dy over dx. This one we have dv over dx multiplied by s. This one we have number 1, so we have v, and that is about the product rule of the derivative. So this one I will put in here. This one I need to change by this one. Now we simplify s squared for the both sides. So we put this one and v go in here. Because v and v we have 2v. So I will put this one go to the left, ds, and s go to the right. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. So the negative I will put on the right. So we can do about factorization by v. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we need to multiply by number 2 in here on numerator and denominator. So dv I will put in here. So we need to put 3v in here. Later that we need to minus 3v. This one divide by this one, so we have number 1. This one divide by this one, so we have number 1 in here. So we have 1 over v minus number 3 over 3v plus 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of v. The second one. Now, let's go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. This one, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. We divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.